That vegan couple, this duo, they're from the land of Oz, oi oi, Australia, and they are just extremely passionate plant-based people. They are on the healthy vegan side. They are pretty huge advocates for animal rights, for nutritional knowledge, and their videos are pretty neat. They do a lot of referencing to modern news, kind of how we do with OC Digest. The way the format of the bulk of their videos are is they'll have lunch with you, and over 30 or 40 minutes or something like that, be sharing with you back and forth what's happening in news articles, their thoughts on it, and they tend to mix in the things that lead to vegan isn't the most we can do, it's the least we can do. Being vegan is the least we can do mindset, and they've built up a great brand for themselves. I mean, they're extremely caring and peaceful people, and they are pretty gung ho with their vision for the future and how they can help impact the world positively. And it's nice to hear their thoughts. So if you're looking for more nutritional education, or if you want to hear more on why being vegan is better for the world as it is better for you, this is a great duo to be able to get in the mix with. So hope you like it.